this is what it looks like.
Another face mask. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio. And in this week of being her, I'm going to be focusing on being in my present moment, but also setting intentions, because I feel like being in my present moment worked last week and the week went so well that I want to see if it would work if I set my intentions, or like, is there going to be a difference? So this is going to be like, you know, I don't know, like, let's just see what happens. But right now I'm going to be doing another face mask. I haven't tried this face mask, so I'm going to see how it works. If you guys have these, let me know down in the comment section like how you guys like them, or what are your favorite face masks, because I love me a good face mask, especially on Sundays. And I'm going to stage because I need to reset for the whole week, okay? So let's go, y'all. It literally smells so good. It's like a lemony smell. It literally smells like, ugh, like, I don't know, it smells really good. It smells like lemon, but it's like not like just lemon, you know what I'm saying? It smells like skincare lemon. That's what it's giving. I feel like this mask fit perfectly with my face. Like, it looks so good. It fit perfectly, like it's like a glove. But I'm gonna wait 20 minutes and then take this off. So I will talk to you guys in 20 minutes. Okay, so it's finally dry. I'm just gonna take it off. Oh, the glow. Like, y'all see? Tea. Honestly, my face feels so hydrated, and I'm just gonna like wash up real quick and then sage. So yeah. I ended up doing my eyebrows yesterday and they look really good. I should have did them on camera, but I had to focus. Like, I don't know, I just like literally had to focus and do my eyebrows real quick. So I literally feel renewed. Like, I feel like this week is gonna be so good, especially because I have plans on the weekend and I don't really know all the plans. I just know I'm going somewhere, okay? And hopefully my camera, not this camera, but my other camera is done being repaired by that time. I know they just sent me an email yesterday talking about how they still have my camera and, you know, it's not finished yet, but they said it might take like 2 to 3 weeks, and this would be the 3rd week. So we'll see, like, we'll see what's going on, okay? And I feel like today is just like a really good day, and it's just gonna continue to get that way because that's just like my mindset. Yeah, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey y'all, so it's Monday and I'm getting ready to go to the gym, so get ready with me. This is the best gel. Oh my gosh. So now that I'm looking bonita, I'm going to go to the gym and have a good little workout. You guys will see that in YouTube shorts because you guys can do them with me, period. Because we're going to be looking very sexy together, period. Healthy spine equals healthy life. So we're going to do this together. And yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow. So I made it to the gym. We're gonna do a yoga challenge and we're gonna do a yoga session, and that will be out for you guys before I post this video. So just so y'all know.
I got way through some my sister and I'm trying to give a fuck, cause I'm a bully at night. Ain't you when I wake up, girl, do you feel I'm fit?
Y'all, I'm at FedEx because I got new headphones and they didn't ship to my house, so now I'm here. Thank you. Thank you.
Sure. This side. What's the 4 supposed to be?
Oh, it means that
Is it
my
books?
no, it means that my ancestors, angels, spirit guides, deities are watching over me.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
What do you mean?
Like, just a little sexier. Like, they need to be a little bit higher. Let me see them again.
It's your toes that make them sexy.
Like,
I told you
this,
that he the same person. Them the probably the only people that he the
like, it need to be like a little bit higher, and then
Okay, give me that. Cause he the one.
like it just need to be looking like a little bit higher. Like, I don't know.
Here goes some more. Is you looking?
Oh yeah. Them black ones. Look.
My God.
Where y'all at?
These.
We,
Ooh, look at these.
they only you have to go through fetch.
Sexy. These. That's what I'm talking about.
$100.
Yup.
Are you getting them or no? These, that's blue.
Do they got them in pink?
No, that's blue.
Lies. Do they have them in gold?
No, these only come in the blue. Well, you have to go to his website
Okay, send me the website.
because this is just through Saks.
This is what it looks like. Y'all, I needed these. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all, look at how beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful. I've been getting new tech stuff, and it's literally because all my tech stuff has been from 2020, and it's time to upgrade all of that stuff. And I am usually the type of person of where it's like, if it's not broken, I'ma still keep it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if it's not broken, if I could still use it, I'm usually not gonna get another one. But with the stuff that I'm doing, I need to hear every single detail. It's like very detail oriented, and especially with editing, it's like I can't wait off on certain things like that just because detail is very important. Like, detail with editing and being on YouTube for me is very important. And it's not that I'm like trying to be a perfectionist, it's more so like I like things to match, you know what I'm saying? It's a certain type of vibe that I'm going for, and when it comes to sound quality, it needs to be there, nothing less. Okay, so this was like, girl, go ahead and get you some new pair because I know you've been wanting it. It's time. So my other camera is still in the shop. I'm still waiting on that. And then what else? The new pair of headphones that I got, oh baby, them is tea. I don't know why I waited so long to get some headphones, because girl, I needed them. Like, on everything I needed them, and I'm super glad that I got them now instead of waiting until maybe like the last minute to get them, just because I feel like my videos are just gonna get even better just because I can hear like the sound quality even more, and just like editing is gonna be super fun. And I feel like now that I got something just like to upgrade my editing process, it's gonna be, you know, more enjoyable. So I'm super excited about that. And y'all, when I went to the canal like last week, it was so freaking weird. I meant to tell y'all this, but the audio in the video that I was telling you guys like what happened, it was so loud in the background that you couldn't really hear me, and then like editing it was like, it sounded like I was underwater, and I was just like, oh hell no. Like, y'all don't deserve that. So when I went to the canal, it was like a very long walk, which I don't have a problem walking. Like, I would rather walk than drive. Y'all know, I don't know, I'm just like that type of person. That's why I feel like I love the city, because, you know, you don't gotta have a car for real. Even though I do have a car, it's just like you don't gotta have a car. But why did I go and there was no water in there? I said, what the fuck are we living in? Is this hell? Because this is crazy. Like, I've never been to like a canal for real because I've always been by the lake. So going to the canal, and I've been there like a year ago, and there was like so much water, and going there now and it didn't have any water. Like when I tell you didn't have any water, there were like little birds in there. It kind of scared the fuck out of me. I'm not gonna lie, that shit was scary. I said, oh my god, where am I was like, am I at the right place? Like it was so freaking weird. But like the weirdest part was that I kept like making the wrong turn, and I would pass this house and they had like little angels like all around the house, and I was like, okay, I know that I'm on the right path. Like I know that I'm in alignment right now and I need to be here, but like I'm so confused of like what is going on, because why, like what is going on? But it was just so weird because the whole thing was empty. Like the whole path was being reconstructed, and I guess like they had like workers there, but I didn't see anybody physically there. I just seen the animals there, like the little birds there, and it just spooked me the freak out because I was just like, I've never seen this ever in my life. Like what is going on? It's really that hot outside, and it really was that hot outside last week, but like I don't know, like it just gave like desert. Like what the it was literally so weird. Like it was just so like, what the F is going on? This is weird. But that's what happened at the canal. It was just like so weird. Like I'm thinking I'm finna have like a real chill, you know, go by the water moment, and then I see nothing there. Like it's literally dead ass empty. Like what the F is going on? But you know, I don't even know what that means. I know what it means like physically, but like spiritually, like what is like what is going on? What is this trying to tell me? Because I don't know. What is this? It's scary. But I did step out of my comfort zone a lot by going there, so I guess that was like the lesson, I guess, you know, stepping out of my comfort zone. And I did do something like really out of my comfort zone, because I was really out of my comfort zone, like hella out of my comfort zone, and it didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to, but it turned out the way that I needed it to. So I guess that was like the lesson behind it. But this week has been really good. I did a lot of shadow work, and I end up like doing some shadow work that I realized that, you know, girl, you're kind of the problem. Like no, for real. Like I think that is like the biggest thing, because sometimes we do be the problem, you know. Certain people, y'all do be the problem, and you got to take accountability. It's not that like you're gonna always be the problem, but you got to like take accountability when you are the problem, so that you can move forward and just like live your life without like, you know, shame and guilt. And it's honestly like nothing to be ashamed of when you are the problem and you take accountability for it. I feel like it's more respected if you take accountability and you move forward than if you like know that you're the problem and you don't say that you're the problem. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, Mercury's in her micro braids, as they say. So it was like I started doing shadow work, like heavy shadow work, and I was like, oh, you know, I am the problem. Let me, you know, do what I need to do, take accountability, and, you know, do some apologies, because I can't not say my apologies when I'm in the wrong, because I just feel like it's just, I don't know, I'm just like that type of person. It just doesn't sit right with me, and I don't feel like I can move forward without saying a genuine apology. That's the thing. I feel like I would rather say a genuine apology than just being like, I'm sorry, and then being like, I'm not really sorry. Like that shit is weird. I don't do that. So genuine apologies all 2025. And I definitely feel like it's because I've been not only doing my shadow work, but working on my self-expression and working on like what is blocking me, what do I need to do in order to move forward. And I feel like that was something that was, you know, in the way of like seeing my true self. So that I feel like is like off my checklist that I needed to do, but like I didn't know that I needed to do it until I did more shadow work. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like I feel like there are certain things that you have to do first in order to even get to that part. So I've been doing like what I needed to do first in order to get where I am today. And honestly, I feel like this week was a lot of personal growth, and with it being a lot of personal growth, I feel like my YouTube channel, my YouTube has been going up really good, so I'm really proud of myself. And honestly, this week has been kind of like, I don't even want to say ups and downs, because it's been really chill for the most part, but there were certain things that I just needed to move forward in, and I was like, okay, I don't even know why I can't move forward in these. So I had to like go and figure out why I couldn't move forward, and then I was like, oh, this is why, you know. Then you realize that sometimes you are the problem in your suffering. That's what it is. And it's not that you have to like beat yourself up about it. It's more so like you have to just take accountability and just move forward in your highest good instead of trying to figure out a way to blame other people. You know what I'm saying? So just like move forward. That, I feel like that was like the lesson of this week. Just move forward, because it's really not that big of a deal, in the sense of like, if somebody doesn't forgive you for doing something, that's fine. Forgive yourself and move forward. But 9 times out of 10, people are going to forgive you if you do take accountability. It may take a little bit longer, but it's important for you to actually own up to your mistakes and then move forward from it. And I feel like that's what I'm doing as an adult. This is like highly important, and I feel like a lot of people don't get to that point. They just let everything like build up, and then it causes like health problems and all that, because it's still in your emotional body, and your emotional body could make you either really happy or really sick. That's just like what I learned this week, you know, going deeper into that. But I will see you guys next week, and we're gonna have fun next week. So yeah.